Hello everybody, today I need to repair this airbag module. What's happened with this? This is the Volvo V50. So the battery was not good and the customer start the engine and it was the battery was very low, and after that he has airbag light, and the trouble code is CFFF, that can't be erased. So this happens with a lot with these airbag modules. So what I need to do, I need to read it and reset it. Okay, so let's go. What I will use? I will use the car probe. Okay, and I open it all. Look, I'm going to airbag. You see this V50. I need to connect via the car probe and A10 adapter. Okay, let's do it.
It's dangerous. Okay. So what I need to do,
So I need to connect these wires. Let's find it on the plate. And this area is this one. Okay, and this is from other side, this one, and this area. Okay, let's connect and let's read it. In this side I need to just lift up. Okay. Okay, let's try to read it. So I found something wrong was with my car probe, and this scheme is not as is described. Look at this. V50. this. I don't have like this. It's a little different. See? It's not like this. Okay, so I keep this one, and this one, but on the other side I connect the plus on this. Wait a minute. On this capacitor. To this capacitor. It will plus. So let's read it. Airbag. Direct. Next. Okay, so device read. Okay, let's save it. And now let's fix it. File crash. Crash removed, very fine, okay. Yo, now it's ready.